Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. I get messages from you guys. A lot of messages. But the most common message is, Sir, I am all alone. I don't have anyone to practice my English. Please guide me. So this is the most common question, that you don't have any partner to practice English with. So I thought, let me find an easy solution for you guys. Something which you can use of your own and you don't need a partner. So today's video, I'm going to tell you something about mobile applications. With this application, it will be so easy for you to practice English, especially your speaking practice, how to speak properly and how to become fluent in English. Remember, this is not a sponsored video. I will be talking to you about the application called Cambly. In this video, I will tell you what is Cambly, how to use this app, how to find a good tutor, how to get free minutes, and is it the right platform to practice English? And at the end of the video, I have 3 questions for you. So listen to what I say very carefully so that you can answer at the end and reply to me in the comment box. Great, let's begin. Many a times I get messages saying that, Sir, is Cambly the right app to practice English? Well, I cannot tell you if it is right or wrong because there are so many applications nowadays. You can try this. If you feel it is helping you, then it is right for you. Because I have not tried as of now, but I want to try this application. I want to talk to a tutor very soon. I will share with you. But in the internet, I can find so many people, they use this application.
Today.
I'm good. I woke up quite tired today. Not really sure why.
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Paige. What is your name?
Hello, how are you?
Yes, sir, I'm good.
My name is Mark from the US. What's your name?
My name is Ram.
So in this app, you will come across tutors from all around the globe, especially from the countries like US, UK, from Australia, New Zealand, Canada. And don't be surprised, you will also find teacher from India. I will always advise you, if you are a beginner, if you just have started learning English, choose for a teacher from India, because the teacher you will be talking to will be speaking in normal Indian accent and you can understand better. So how to download this app? Go to the Play Store, okay, and type Cambly. You will find the Cambly application. So while downloading, it will ask for your email address or phone number. You can register using your phone number or your email address. Once you open this app, you have 2 options. Number 1 is choose a plan. Second one is schedule a lesson. First, let's talk about schedule a lesson. Schedule a lesson is a place where you will find tutors and you can connect to them through video calls. Now click on this option. You find a list of tutors. One add-on feature is that you find an option to filter. You can choose trainer of your choice. Suppose you are preparing for IELTS exam or you are preparing for TOEFL exam. You have the option to choose a trainer accordingly. Once you choose a trainer or a tutor, you have the option to see his or her profile. 3 options you get: view profile, practice English, and message. When you click on practice English, it will guide you to a page which will say for subscription. You need to subscribe. It simply means that you have to make the payment. However, you get 2 options. Either you pay and use the service, or you can use some free minutes also. First, let me tell you about the paid service. So you got it? This is the plan. Now let's talk about the free service. How you can use the free platform. When you log into Cambly, okay, you have an option for Cambly's student referral program. See here, how to get free minutes? See, sharing Cambly with your friends is the easiest way to earn free minutes. So how it works? You have to share a link to your friend. Got it? So you can encourage your friend to practice. They can practice for free. How? When a friend signs up with Cambly, they get 10 free minutes. They get 10 free minutes. Suppose you have a friend who is also learning English, who is willing to speak to different trainers. You can forward the link to your friend, and once they accept that, they get 10 free minutes. Once they sign up, they get 10 free minutes. When a friend subscribes to Cambly, you get 60 free minutes. Wow! You get 1 hour of free minutes. Got it? The paid version, I feel it's little expensive. What do you say? Because there are many other applications which charges less. And there are also applications which can help you to connect to different tutors without any fees. So my dear friend, now I have 3 questions for you. The first question is, have you ever tried the Cambly app? Second question, do you practice English alone or do you have a partner? Number 3, if you have used this app, share your feedback. Did you like it or you didn't like it? Let us know. I will wait for your comments. So till the next video, thank you so much.